Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Last couple weeks of summer. You are what you believe you are. Humans are powerful magicians. You have the power to make yourself what you are right now, but it's not your reasoning mind that controls your power. It's what you believe. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 127, NASDAQ up 63, S&P's up 16, gold contract up $17.18, trading at $12.11 an ounce. Silver up 22 cents, $14.77 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 72 cents, $68.55 a barrel. Notes and bonds, ever ready bunny rather in these notes and bonds, they just will not back off, folks. You get the 10-year note down 120.17, 30-year is flat, 145.21. They both want to go after their May 30th highs. They've been building cars. I expect next week we're going to see them go after those babies. King dollar failed on price, failed on volume, got back inside the lower range, down 500 ticks or half a penny, 95.075. Anything under the 95.440 keeps you in the lower range. Euro, the euro is trading at 116.23 to 1 US dollar. The yen is at 111 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's go take a look at it. We go over and we take a look at the SPY. You're at an all-time high out here. The high on Tuesday was 287.31. We hit a 287.67 out here today. Now, what's going to be intriguing is that each and every day, what we have had happen, you know, the price spread hasn't been big out here at these highs, folks. Each and every day coming into the close, we've had the S&P bottom line sell off. We'll see how this shakes out today. Gold contract, we get a nice ABC structure on the way up. You took out the B point, you got the volume behind the move. Let's go take a look at that right there. Okay, 1 second, CRB. You get, there we go. So gold is up 1.5%. We took out the B point. You took it out with volume. You get approximately, it's a 40.8 a B. Your B point out here was the high of Wednesday, which is 1208.40. We have done, that's 234,000 contracts. We're way over that contract volume. That's going to set up a 230, I believe. Yeah, it sets up a 230, a 1230 rather, price projection. Now, what's going to be cool about that is that, you know, we're right at coming into the larger range again. Bottom line at 1230, that is going to basically if we get it in one day, what it will do, it will break the downtrend from the 1325 area. So it's a good number. Some of the other commodities out here, when you did have the Powell start to speak, the dollar went downtown. As the dollar went downtown, you had the commodities go uptown. We had coffee up 3%. Silver is up 1.6%. Copper is up 1.3%. Hogs are up 1%. Bottom line, you caught a bid there. Notes and bonds, bottom line, just will not back off. And notes and bonds, you know, on the 10-year note today, you got down to 120.11, rejected lower price. This thing is set up that it wants to make that run for the May 30th high, which is 121.03. The 10-year yield right now is at 2.822. If we go take a look at the 30-year, 30-year is pretty amazing, actually. The 30-year is laying right at the top of the consolidation. The top of the consolidation is laying out here at 145.28. We hit 145.26. You're hitting this area with volume. When you're pushing into higher or lower swing points and you have volume happening simultaneously, your probability is much higher that you're going to bust through this area. So check it out. May 30th, we had 386,000 contracts traded at this level. On July 6th, we had 211,000 contracts. Well, we're at 350 today. So you're pushing in with volume. I expect what we're going to do is we're going to go after it. The real question is going to be, does it have the juice when it goes after it and blows that baby away? Some of the higher volume equities out here today, and more than likely we are going to have a low volume market because, of course, this is the last 2 weeks of summer. We have Advanced Micro, one of the chip stocks, that's up $1.40. You got GE down a few pennies. We got Micron Tech up 88 cents. Comcast is up $1.13. Foot Locker is getting hit. That is down $5. The Gap also getting hit. That's down $3. Netflix going topside. That's up 18. You get Nvidia up an additional 5. We get Facebook up 1. If we go over and we start taking a look at Netflix, NFLX, what we're going to see now, this is way off its high, but bottom line, last couple of days, you caught a bid. Netflix high is 423. Last few days, we just went from 310 to 357. Nvidia, NVDA, this baby's going after its highs once again. Actually, it just took it out. Unreal. So the high is 269.20. We're at 271.77. And this has juice behind it. Unreal. Yeah. Bottom line is that on a weekly basis, you're going into 44 million, and we've already done 86 million. So bottom line, that wants higher price. Facebook caught a bid, but Facebook, don't touch Facebook, folks. That ain't even close. It's up $1.65. You're trading out at 174. You're down from 218. Bottom line, Facebook just doesn't have it inside it to go higher. We take a look at the Dow Industrials, the strength versus the weakness inside the Dow. This is what you have. Point-wise, United Health is putting 19 positive points, 3M 15, Visa 14. Taken away from it, you got Goldman Sachs putting 8 negative points, Nike putting 2, that's about it. Inside the NDX 100, strength versus the weakness. Autodesk, big number in Autodesk. They come out with numbers, made numbers, but the expansion topside is pretty amazing. Up 14.5%, or $19. You get Netflix up 5.5%. You got Mercado Libre up 4.8%. Taken away from it, Fastenal is down 1.5%. Regeneron's off 0.6%. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We have the Dow Industrials trading up 136, NASDAQ up 65, S&P's up 17. We'll come right back.